Beach. Happy Father's Day to everybody. About to go ahead and have a blast. Like, subscribe to the channel. What you got to say?
And hit the notifications. That's all I'm saying.
Man, other than that, happy Father's Day to the dads. Man, we can have a blast, y'all. Let's do this.
Yes, sir.
Blizzard Beach. Always a movie, baby. Tony about to go get wet because it's hot in Florida. Hey, Jared, go take a picture over there, buddy. You should go take a picture on the sled. I made Tony take a picture on the sled, y'all. Hey, get in the car, JR. I'm gonna make you take a picture in the car. Get in the car. Yeah.
All right, we take a slate.
Big old grown joke in the slate. Get out, man. What, Paris?
Yeah, you can have all of it, okay? Have it for yourself, Paris.
Paris, you see the snowmans over there? You want to take a picture of the snowman?
Wow.
Right over there, look. Come on. The snowman, they right there. You don't see the snowman? Look. Yeah, go take a picture with him. Hurry up. Ooh, Paris, take a picture of snowman. Turn around. Turn around. Cheese. Yeah, Paris. You like the snowman? Yeah. For you people that ain't never been to Blizzard Beach, when you come in, it's gonna let you know what recommendations for sun forecast today. 30 is today. And they go to mountain. The map. All the rides. I'll never get on that one. You want to get on the big boy ride today? I want you to get on this tall one for Happy Father's Day for me. You do that, that'll make my Father's Day. Tiki's Peak. Paris, where you going? All the magic happens right there. Hey, it's Father's Day. Look at my wife. She's looking mad, y'all, because it ain't her day. She hating. Big hater. My day. Come here, we should tell the people it's my day.
I guess.
Who day it is?
Ocean's Day.
See? Big hater. I ain't never seen it where you gotta get a line to get in the water. Wow. Still a beautiful day though. Lazy River we go. Hi, Taisha. What's Tony over with?
To get there.
Pat in here.
I'm a tired.
Paris.
Mommy,
Wait, Dad.
I'm a bit.
So you tell me Typhoon Blue was when you hiked in this?
Probably so.
Yeah.
Paris.
Hiking in different places at the moment.
Paris, go in the water so I can get you on the water, Paris.
Huh?
Go in the water so I can get you on the water.
Ready?
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Beautiful day. It's hot. Oh well. Going to the waterfall, y'all. Woody Park.
No, I got you. I got you.
You got me?
Yeah.
Okay,
Ready,
Paris.
Daddy?
As long as you got me, I'm good.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
The waterfall. You ready?
Oh, that ain't no waterfall, man. Typhoon Lagoon waterfall, way better than that.
Yeah, I'm not going to hit my baby now.
Hey, Jared, quit pulling my tube.
Okay, you got to watch before you see.
back in the sun. Paris. Don't throw that at nobody, Paris. Not nice.
Man, why you always on me that?
You got a big old head, bro.
Yeah, you're the one so crazy.
Bye-bye.
Did y'all come Typhoon Lagoon? Y'all went Typhoon Lagoon yesterday?
Yeah, what a Typhoon Lagoon.
Was it packed like this yesterday?
No. It was not packed at all. I bet it's packed today, though.
Bye-bye.
We do want to sincerely say Happy Father's Day to the fathers out there. And right over. Happy Father's Day to y'all. Now back to the program. Get wet. Yeah, Paris. Oh yeah. This is gonna be cold. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that was cold. Oh, yes. Oh, that was cold. Oh, God. That was real cold. That was real cold. Oh, that was cold as hell. Oh, man, that was ice cold. Oh, man, that was ice cold. Wow, that was cold. Dude, why your ugly face here?
Huh? Say that one more time, Dad. Why you always on me, Dad? Holy. I've not seen it yet. I know they won their game again.
Come here, Bear.
Let's see if I can get wet, y'all.
I'm ready.
Yeah, that's it right here.
Let's wait. Hold my hand.
Of course you want to ride, Paris. Of course you want to ride, Paris. You want to ride everything. Do an escalator to go up to the top, y'all. I'm leading you guys to one of my favorite parts of Blizzard Beach. Dun, 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 dun.
Wave time.
The wave pool. Let's go, Paris. The beach. Got my best friend Tony here, getting on my nerves. Yeah, bothering me and stuff. What slide? Ain't no slide here. You take John with you on it. We'll get it this person, we'll go. The water like 80 degrees, so like too warm, bro. The water needs to be cold. Man, the water too warm, bro.
Yeah, you like to
Go chasing waterfalls. Look at the waterfall, y'all. 5'9". See, stand up, Tony. Boy, you're taller than 5'9", boy. Oh, Paris. My wife's scared to come out because she think it's too deep. She gonna stay in 3 feet of water and she 5'10". Hey girlie, you 5'9", 5'10". You can come out this far. Look. Paris. Look at her, y'all. She in 3 feet of water. 3 feet of water, huh? 3 feet. Sad. Paris. Hi, Paris. Oh, shit. Paris. Come on, Paris. Put Paris in the waterfall. Go to the waterfall. Go. Take it out. Take it out, Joe. Go, go, days in the waterfall. Yay, Paris. Paris, you like the waterfall? Come with Daddy. You gonna come with Daddy? Your eyes? Your eyes? Close your eyes.
Dad, look, I'm basically like 6 foot. Watch. Look at this.
You're not 6 foot yet, Tony. You're getting close to it, though. You going back? Go, Paris, go. Yay, Paris. Da-da-da. Woo, the water is getting high. Oh man, waves are getting big. Real big. Big waves. See Antonio like that, like he can swim, y'all. No, he can't swim all that good. Look at it. Yeah, Paris over there, the 3 feet water with a mama. But you gonna make sure she's straight, boy. 3 feet. 3 feet of water. Let's join Tony in the deep end, y'all. Yo! Yeah. Woo! We're in the deep end. I'm in the deep end with Tony.
Huh?
Yeah, boy. 6 feet.
See that? I can stand up.
Bro, you're not 6 feet yet. You're getting to it, though. You'll be by this summer 6 feet. You're not 6 feet yet. I'm telling you not there yet. By this summer, you'll be 6 feet, though.
You guys seen that wave keep me hot, right? That's the way you can
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I got the happy step on.
These two. Look at G up there. 2 sharks that got beat, y'all. It's a beautiful day.
Gotta get this, man.
Oh my God, a shark that got beat. A shark. gift that? It was beautiful too. I had it on me last night. Paris kept getting hazy. I didn't go nowhere in the sun. I wanted to bring it out here with me today, but I was scared. Did that man mess up? Oh man, I forgot to take it out. Dang, I forgot to do that. No heck, I'm gonna just put that. Girl, I got waves. Don't worry about that. I got skills. Just know that. I got skills. Got some ice cream. You happy now, huh? Paris. You got ice cream? From there? You happy now, huh? Give me that ice cream. Give me that ice cream. You want to give me some? You eat it. You eat it. Paris with ice cream. Paris got ice cream.
Scoot down a little bit.
Look who got strawberry shortcake. Is it good?
Tastes good. Mad sweet. That's the whole point.
A lot of whipped cream on there.
Is it
Jerry, give me a spoon. Give me a taste of it. You know that stuff good. I see the way you looking at it. Look at you, digging in it some more. But it ain't good. Strawberry shortcake. Go ahead, bro. Got Paris and JR going up the hill. About to come down the tube. Look at them, y'all. Down comes Paris. There go Paris. Look at the screaming, y'all. Y'all hear screaming? Paris. Yeah. Let Paris do this. Jerk.
It's my fault, Dad.
Let's go, Paris.
Come on, man.
Your brother's a jerk.
I am no jerk.
He wants you to fall in the water
Come on, man.
instead of helping his sister.
I'm trying to help the coach. You did actually. There you go.
Really great guy. Great guy, Tony. Woo!
Come on, man.
Down go Paris. Go Paris, go. Go Paris, go. Yeah, to take the sweet time. Ain't no damn body coming, but he think it's. Why are you behind me, man?
Because I can be.
Trying to enjoy the water park.
I found you.
Paris on the slide. There go her baby. Now there go Paris. Paris and her naked baby. Paris. Get your little baby. Come on. You doing it again? Hurry up. There go the baby, and there goes Paris. In the little pool area with Elsa. And Ola. There go Elsa. You want to take a picture with Elsa, Paris? Turn around. Turn around. Turn around and say cheese. Yeah, Paris and Elsa. Oh, that one almost got my phone. It almost got my phone wet. Girl, come on. Paris up there on the flag. Woo, Paris. Oh, yeah.
We didn't care about Bama back then. We cared about Florida.
Cared about Florida with Tebow.
Yeah, but Auburn was always a tough game because it was like the third.
Go, Paris, go, go.
LA.
Go, Paris, go.
You want to do the late?
Paris, say War Eagle.
Tiger Bay.
War Eagle. You fans messing with me, man. Get up some Auburn shit. Father's Day has come to an end. What are you looking at? It's time to go. Father's Day is over. And Paris mad because she want to go stay.
One last time, hurry up.
We're done. Thank you guys for watching this great Father's Day edition. Long Ball Tony and her. We out, bro. Last look. Paris just ran off into the horizon. Peace.